Good evening, Wisdom Tree.
Good evening, Rahul. How was your day?
Today, one of my friends came home with a puzzle. It was to find the next number in the series given as follows: 14, 29, 44, 59, and further. I too tried but couldn't solve it. Can you help me, Wisdom Tree?
The Pandavas and Kauravas also faced a puzzle of a similar kind. Do you want to know how they solved the puzzle?
Sure.
The Pandavas and Kauravas were preparing for their examination. One of the topics included in it was patterns. It involved a series of numbers following a certain pattern. The Pandavas and Kauravas couldn't figure out what the pattern was, and so they went to Guru Dronacharya to seek his help. Today we shall learn about patterns, different kinds of patterns, finding next term in the pattern, number tower, addition, subtraction, and multiplication in patterns.
Let me now teach you about the patterns observed in a series of numbers. Observe the following numbers: 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. Bhim, what do you observe from these numbers?
Guruji, each of these numbers is 4 more than the number preceding them. That is, 17 is equal to 13 plus 4. 21 is equal to 17 plus 4. 25 is equal to 21 plus 4. And 29 is equal to 25 plus 4.
Very good. As Bhim rightly said, each of these numbers is 4 more than the number preceding them. These numbers are said to follow a pattern. There are different kinds of patterns or series which can be observed. One of them is where the difference between two consecutive numbers of the series is constant, like we observed in the series mentioned previously, that is 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. Difference between any two consecutive terms in this series is 4. Another kind of series is also possible. In the previous series, the numbers are increasing. That is, a number in the series is greater than the number preceding it in the series. Whereas, we can also have a series where the number in the series is less than the number preceding it, but the common difference between the consecutive terms in the series is the same. For example, 95, 87, 79, 71, 63, and so on. Here, the difference between any two consecutive numbers in the series is 8, but a number in the series is always less than the number preceding it. Consider 24, 33, 42, 51, 60. To find the next number in this series, we first find the common difference between two consecutive numbers. In this series, we observe that the common difference between any two consecutive numbers in the series is 9. Now, we check whether a number is greater or lesser than the number preceding it. In this case, a number is greater than 9 of the number preceding it. Hence, the next number in the series is obtained now by adding the common difference to the last term given in the series, since it is an increasing one. Hence, the next term in the series in this case is 60 plus 9, which is equal to 69. Arjun, find the next term of the series: 85, 71, 57, 43, 29.
To find the next number in this series, we first find the common difference between two consecutive numbers. In this case, we observe that the common difference between any two consecutive terms in the series is 14. Now, we check whether a number is greater or lesser than the number preceding it. In this case, the number is lesser than 13 of the number preceding it. Hence, the next number in the series is obtained Now, by subtracting the common difference to the last term given in the series, since it is a decreasing one. Hence, the next term in the series in this case is 29 minus 14 is equal to 15.
Now let us learn and observe patterns of a different kind. Consider the tower shown here. In this figure, we observe a different pattern. We see that 28 equal to 12 plus 16, 40 equal to 16 plus 24, 68 equal to 28 plus 40. Hence, we observe that when we add the numbers in two boxes near each other, we get the number in the box above them. Let us consider another number tower. Here we observe that this number tower is not the same as the one we previously observed. Here we observe that 12 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4. 8 is equal to 4 multiplied with 2. And 96 is equal to 12 multiplied with 8. In this case, numbers in two boxes near each other are multiplied and the resultant number we get is placed in the box above them. Bhim, can you observe the pattern given in the tower and fill the empty box?
Here we observe that 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6. 2 is equal to 6 divided by 3. Now 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Therefore, the number in the empty box should be 3.
Let us observe some patterns in multiplication. Consider the multiplication table of 9. Here we see that when 9 is multiplied with 1, we get 9, where the first digit is 1 less than the number multiplied with 9. And the second digit is equal to the difference of 9 from the first digit. We observe that when 9 is multiplied with 2, the first digit from the pattern deciphered must be equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And the second digit is equal to 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. This method can be used to find product of 9 with numbers until 10. For example, when 9 is multiplied with 7, the first digit is 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. And the second digit is equal to 9 minus the first digit, which is equal to 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3. Hence, 9 multiplied with 7 gives 63. Now let us consider the multiplication table as shown here. Here we see that when 37,037 multiplied with 3 is multiplied with 1, we get 111111. When 37,037 multiplied with 3 is multiplied with 2, we get 222222. Here we see that the product contains the number multiplied with 37037 multiplied with 3 as its digits. From this pattern we can finish the rest of the table as follows. Since 37,037 multiplied with 3 is multiplied with 3, the product, which has 6 digits, must contain all 3's. Similarly, when 37,037 multiplied with 3 is multiplied with 4, the product must contain all 4's, and so on and so forth till 9.
Rahul, you can solve the puzzle now.
Yes, now I can solve the puzzle. The numbers given were 14, 29, 44, 59. To find the next number in the series, we first check the common difference between two consecutive numbers. The common difference between two consecutive numbers in this case is 15. Now, each number in this series is greater than the number preceding it. Hence, to find the next term in the given series, we add 15 to the last term of the given series. Hence, the next term in the series is equal to 59 plus 15, which is equal to 74.
Very good. Today we learnt about patterns, different kinds of patterns, finding next term in the pattern, number tower, addition, subtraction, and multiplication in patterns. Rahul, hope you understood all the above concepts.
Yes, the concepts are much clearer now.
Excellent, Rahul.
Thank you for the lesson, Wisdom Tree.
You're welcome.